Hey guys, what's up? It's Ian coming from Unicorn Games, and today we are going to be not playing a game, but today we are going to actually, well, apparently, so in the comments below, I have been seeing that some people want to know how to make a thumbnail for their, for their, cover up. So, as you can see, Unicorn Neighborhood, you can't see it for the thumbnail, but when you go on it, it shows this thumbnail, and I do not know why I created this one. It's kind of weird, but I created this thumbnail, and if you want to know how to do it, then let me show you. But you're gonna also have to have Roblox Studio in order if you want to have a background of this. But yeah, this is also how you do it. So let's get started. So I have just loaded down paint.net because you can even use screencast, I think. I don't know what it's called, but some other people use that. But I normally use paint.net because it's easier to code with, and I don't have that new thing. Oh, I'm supposed to do that. Whoa, don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna click a new image. That's all I want to happen. Okay, so firstly what we are going to do is you are going to, for example, if you want to make something like unicorns or something, I'm going to type down unicorn background. This is only a thumbnail photo, guys, so I'm not going to actually be showing you how to make a game. I'll show you that in another video. So you're gonna copy this, go back onto paint.net. Copy is either Control-C or right click and then click copy. So then we're gonna click paste, and it's gonna show up in a tiny spot. What you're gonna do is just make it wider, bigger, whatever. Okay. Spread it out, spread it down a little. There. So this is how it actually ends up like. You can do anything with it. You can add in a text. I'm just gonna put it to, let's see, you. It's very small. Let's make it bold, and let's make it very big. Let's make it this size, 28, and let's do the quick brown fox. So yeah, this is how it ends up like, and then you could do unicorn neighborhood. So there, and then we just move this a little into the middle, and then it says unicorn neighborhood, and then there's another way how to do it. You could go on to Roblox Studio, and then you could just take some screenshots and then you could upload it here. But I won't be doing that way. I'm just going to be doing the internet way. So after you do that, this will end up, and then you can add on pictures and all that, just stuff like that, something unique in style. Just let it control your picture, and then this is it. And all you just have to do is click this save thing, and then you can save it as anything you want it to be called. So let's say it could be called Unicorn Neighborhood. Let's do Unicorn Neighborhood fake set up. This could actually be my front cover. If you want this to be my front cover, then let's have birds. Okay, so this is technically my cover for the unicorn. Well, not really, but technically how you do it. And then how to upload it is you're gonna have to have Robux in order to do this. But how to upload it is you're gonna have to go and create. So then or develop, however it is for you. And then it's going to go like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to click the settings, and then you're going to click configure start place. Some people may play your game, some people may not. And then you're going to click on thumbnails, because thumbnail, that is the video, and then you're just gonna click on browse to do it for your picture. Okay, come on, load. Okay, now yeah, here it is. This is the unicorn neighborhood. You just click on it and then you click open, and then that's technically it. So I'm not gonna actually load it just in case I things. Oh yeah, it's only 10 Robux. I wasted my Robux, so I wasted 20 Robux. And then yeah, that's technically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, share, comment, subscribe to videos. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos, and then the notification bell will post all the videos daily for you, so then you won't miss a video. And also subscribe to my channel, so then you will be part of the Unicorn Squad. And boys, you will be part of the Ninja Squad if you also subscribe to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's watching this video, and also like this video, so then I will know that people like this video, and comment down below for some more video ideas, and then I will do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys. See you so much. Bye.